Hey guys, it's Jess here with Sass and Crafts, and today we're going to be making a tulle wreath just in time for 4th of July. The supplies you are going to need are going to be your tulle, 6 inches in length in the colors of red, white, and blue, sparkly of course, a foam wreath form that you can find at a dollar store or your craft store, a rotary cutter, and a cutting mat that makes life so much easier. To save time for the video, I went ahead and I cut my tulle at 18 inches long because we are going to be using the Lark's knot method on this wreath. And so cutting them at 18 inches, when I fold it in half, they're only going to be 9 inches long. So to make a Lark's knot, you're going to take your 18-inch piece long of tulle, you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to try and make a hole at the folded part of the tulle over the top of your wreath for the tails of your tulle to go through. So just fold it over like this. See how I'm making a hole right there with my fingers? That is where the tail for my tulles needs to come through. So kind of hold it in place and then pull the tails through. And then you're going to pull on them to tighten the knot around the wreath form, and that's all there is to it. And then you'll just alternate the colors going around the wreath form. Okay, so that is our 4th of July tulle wreath. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I enjoyed sharing this with you guys, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. Have a good day, guys. Bye.